Hey there, do you like swimming but don't know how to swim? Then don't worry, this video is for you. First of all, we need to know about some basic terminologies of swimming. Let's discuss the most common swimming strokes. The first one is treading water. Treading water helps to keep swimmers afloat in deep water. It. It is the motion of your arms and legs moving at the same time. Second, freestyle or front crawl stroke. The freestyle stroke allows you to swim straight on your stomach by kicking your legs and rotating your arms over your head. But it's important to be comfortable with the breathing technique, as your face will stay submerged for your few strokes. Third, butterfly stroke. The butterfly stroke is broken down into three main segments: the pull, the push, and the recovery. Fourth, breaststroke. After you know the arm movements for the treading water, the breaststroke will become easily. This style of swimming allows you to propel yourself forward while keeping your head above the water. Fifth, backstroke. Swimming the backstroke is the same movement as the freestyle, but you are on your back. This is a very comfortable swim stroke and easy to learn. Let's discuss benefits of swimming. Healthy benefits of swimming are: first, swimming is a great workout because you need to move your whole body against the resistance of the water. Swimming is a good all round activity because it keeps your heart rates up but takes some of the impact stress off your body. It builds endurance, muscle strength, and cardiovascular fitness, helps maintain a healthy weight, healthy heart and lungs, tones muscles and builds strength, provides an overall body workout. Some general tips for swimming before you dive in. First, make sure you know how to swim. Second, choose a safe environment. Third, warm up and stretch your muscles and joints before entering the water. Fourth, have plenty of fluids on hand and drink regularly. Fifth, don't overdo it if you are just starting out. Sixth, see your doctor if you haven't exercised for a long time.